guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look from Mera from Aquaman from the first movie. I decided why not do it because the second Aquaman is coming out soon. Plus my hair is like very red right now, so might as well, right? Anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm starting by plumping up my lips using the Dior Lip Maximizer. After that, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Algenist Prebiotic Balancing Moisturizer with SPF 15. And to prime my face today, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup Forever's HD Skin, and this is in the shade 1N14. And sticking with Makeup Forever, I'm also going to be using their concealer. This is a Ultra HD and it is in the shade 31.5. For contour, I'm going to be using this bronzing stick from Kylie Cosmetics, and this is from the Kendall collection, and this is in the shade Act Natural. I really like the shade of this because it's brown, but it's more like on the grayer side, whereas other ones tend to be more on the orangey side. To prime my lids, I'm going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer. And to set that all in, I'm going to be using the Becca Hydra Mist Refreshing Powder. And now to begin with the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this tiny Urban Decay palette. I don't know the name of it, it literally just says eyeshadow palette on here. But I think it has something to do with like stones or those rocks that people like. But I'm gonna be using the shade Optimist and just put that all over my lid as a base color. Next, moving on to this One Size palette. I really like this palette because of how many matte shades it has. I'm gonna use Taupe of My Game and just apply it on my crease. Switching back to the Urban Decay palette, now I'm gonna grab the color Eclipse, which is this nice warm chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna concentrate that on my outer V. Next, I'm gonna grab this pink called Attraction, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lid and a little bit on my crease as well. Now I'm gonna sweep off the translucent powder using my favorite MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C3. Then I actually went back with the P. Louise eyeshadow primer because I wanted to lighten up my lid again. So I just put that on the inner corner of my eye and dragged it a little bit towards the middle, and then afterwards I kind of blended the colors that I had on the crease earlier. And grabbing that same chocolate brown, I'm just gonna apply it to my lower lash line. And to make my cat eye today, I'm gonna be using this black eyeliner from Kylie Cosmetics. For bronzer, I'm using the Sephora one that I love, and this is in the shade Los Cabos, or number 24. Next, I'm gonna be using this super cute cheek duo from Sigma, and it is from the Cinderella collection. And I'm also gonna be using this very cute coral brush from Tarte, and I'm gonna be applying both the blush and the highlighter. And I just have to say I loved both of them. I really like how corally the blush is, perfect for this look, and I love the shine from the highlighter. And next, I'm gonna be lining my lips with this Kris Jenner lip liner from the Kylie Cosmetics collection that she used to have, and it's called Gimme a Kiss. I absolutely love this liner. I feel like it's like the perfect shade of pink. And on top of that, I'm gonna be applying my Dior lipstick in the shade Ball. For my brows, I'm gonna fill them in with powder using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow palette, and I'm gonna be filling them in using the color Auburn. And after brushing out my brows, I'm gonna be applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And for lashes today, I'm gonna be using these very cute ones from House of Lashes, and I believe these are called Iconic Light. So here is a completed look with the Mera costume on. I got it from Amazon, and I don't remember how much I got it for, but right now the actual listing price is $37.71, so not too bad. And it is a size small. Originally it didn't come like cut up like from the chest like how it is now, and I accidentally cut a little bit too much, but whatever. So you might see my bra here every now and then coming up to say hello, so sorry about that. But yeah, I actually cut it to look a little bit more similar to how she has it in the movie, because originally when you buy it, it's just literally like almost to your neck. It's like a scoop neck, I believe it's called. And I really did like the crown, like thought that was pretty cute. As for the hands, I had to cut the gloves a little bit so I could actually show my thumbs instead of having all that extra cloth covering them. And I decided to wear a pearl ring because why not? I just thought it was pretty cute and it would go with this look, as well as some pearl earrings. And that's pretty much it. I really liked how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!